Hey, Talex here engineering. This is a wood crushing shaft, and you can see the woods are being crushed over here. Next one is a stone crushing gears, and you can take a look how stones are crushed, but in particular that is a stone crushing gear. Next is a crushing metal gears, because they do crush metals, and then here they do crush tiny metals, just because when you consider the gears. Now let's focus on maize crushing machine. Okay, it also has gears inside the interior, how it crushes the maize in order to have grains. This is the crushing shaft. Okay, to move on further, I'm going to show you how it works, because this is my side point of view. We feed in the raw products, and we turn on the engine here to rotate. The engine rotates the shaft. The shaft also rotates the fan. This is the engine outlet, and then this is the fan here. The fan blows out dust from the maize grain after being crushed. Then moving on further here, we're looking at this screen. This screen screens the two products, because we have some maize grain that coming out within the maize cob, and then they are being screened over here. Okay, now where after all that process, the maize grains come up here, and you put just your sack or an empty anything to have them in collection. So now guys are assembling it over here, and remember me, on my side I just do the fixing. So I had fixed here, so this is now the checkout. Is it working? Because with Talex here we only fix, we don't wait for any other things. But however, I'll be getting you other things how they work on. Okay, so this is a generator engine which I was fixing the other time, and I'll give you this video soon. Now let's start here. No, choke it properly. Okay, fine. There, no, okay, fine. Now the engine starts, adjusting the race, and then we feed in the maize. So when you feed in, already the third guy on a white head sock is waiting for the maize grains. The another guy here with a blue head sock is also going to feed in because of speed. Okay, it is feeding manually, no belt to feed in. So when you're feeding in, you just make sure that you have to feed in and make sure that they are not finished, because when they finish you will have to again, they may even jump out to backfire on you, so it is not advisable too. I think you can see the use of a fan here. Dust is already out. Yeah, another sack to be put in. Then I want you to see how the grains come in here, and they are screens. You see, in this process of self push, the grains that come in within the cob, they are screens over these holes that are already shown to you before the process, and that's how it works. And I think you can see the guy is collecting the grain. And next I'm going to show you the advantages of, but before, let me tune on the shaft. You see the shaft inside, and then they pour grains on. The grains are automatically pushed in just due to vibration. You pour, vibration, and shaft rotor speed pushes them in. Okay, there is nothing here to push. So now here, let me take you over just the advantages and the disadvantages of belts. Belts are easy to fix, easy to maintain, cheap, long lasting, and they do transfer rotation even when